Сайн байцгаана уу? Бичлэг эхлэхээс өмнө та бүхнийг дэвсгэргийн хэсэгт линкэн дээр даж Double Stand Up 2 сувгаар зочлоорой. Энэхүү сувг дээр болохоор Stand Up холбогдлолтой лайв стримүүд, геймингүүд бол орж явах болно. Хэрвээ та сонирхож ивэл энэ чанелаа зочлоорой. Бас subscribe дараарай.
I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in the cradles, profanities. I see the world through ice covered in ink and bleach. Cross out the ones who heard my cries and watched me weep. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush. Take my eyes open to force reality. Why can't you just let me eat my weight in glee? I live inside my own world of make-believe. Kids screaming in their cradles, profanities. Some days I feel skinnier than all the other days. Sometimes I can't tell if my body belongs to me. I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Be carefree lately, yeah. Just kicking up daisies. Got one too many quarters in my pockets. Counting like the 4-leaf clovers in my locket. Untied laces, yeah. Just tripping on daydreams. Got dirty little lullabies playing on repeat. Might as well just ride around the nursery and count sheep.
All rise for hard bass.
Never fear, Boris is here. Ready, let's go. Slice, squats, chick-breaky, cold компот and чебуреки. Always moving, never done. Such is life, it's lost around. Take my light, dragon down. Fingers up and windows down. Hot пельмени and some квас. Drive around and pop hard bass. My mama says it's just a phase when I feel my gaze with my enemies. But no, play this music from your car, inviting friends from near and far. Here everybody knows, Scots and toes break your bones.
Do you? So listen.
Raving comics, pumping stars, scorching bushes, hills and ground. I need no better way to get the western spice away. Big and fearless like a bear, tracksuit with the stripes I wear. From Krakow to Kamchatka, and the patrons to vodka.